Honeywell is determined to help you find the perfect humidifier for every situation. By providing different types of humidifiers with a wide variety of features and various sizes to choose from, you can rest assured that there's a humidifier for you and every situation. That's why we at HoneywellStore.com would like to tell you all about the Warm Mist Humidifier and what it can do for you. Warm Mist Humidifiers offer a warm, filter-free, visible mist. In this type of humidifier, water is boiled in a heating chamber and is then released into the air as warm, visible mist. Warm mist humidifiers produce 99% bacteria-free mist due to the water being boiled inside the unit. Some warm mist humidifiers even have the added benefit of a medicine cup, allowing you to place liquid inhalants for additional relief. Warm mist humidifiers might make bubbling sounds as the water boils inside the unit. With warm mist humidifiers, you may notice the temperature in the room rising slightly due to the warm mist. The HWM-845W and HWM-845B are both examples of warm mist humidifiers. These humidifiers offer two moisture output settings on an easy-to-use front-facing dial, and an essential oil feature is present on the top, giving you the option to use essential oils for extra comfort. The tank has a traditional fill design with a wide opening to easily fill and clean. These humidifiers are recommended for medium-sized rooms. For more information on warm mist humidifiers or to purchase one for yourself, visit www.honeywellstore.com.